Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a brand new tutorial on how to set up a V2Ray server on the HTTP Custom Tunnel app. This method is fast, reliable, and 100% working for a high-speed internet connection. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content that keeps you connected anytime, anywhere. First, let's create a V2Ray server account. Open your browser and search for SSL. From the results, click the official website link to reach the homepage. Once you're on the site, tap the menu button and you'll see a list of different server options. Select V2Ray and you'll be directed to the account creation page. Here, simply enter any username and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click the Create Now button. After a short countdown, your server will be ready. Copy the V2Ray server details to your clipboard for later use. Now, let's set it up on the HTTP Custom Tunnel app. Make sure you have the latest version of the app by visiting the Play Store, searching for HTTP Tunnel app, and downloading it to your device. Once installed, open the app. On the home page, tap the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Import Config from Clipboard. Your V2Ray server will automatically be imported successfully. Next, click the pencil icon to edit your desired settings. On the new page that opens, you'll find an option at the bottom to add a valid working SNI if you have one. Once done, click the Save button. Now tap the Play button to connect. Within a few seconds, you'll be connected to a fast-speed internet connection. To verify, simply scroll right to check the connection logs. And that's it. You've successfully set up a V2Ray server on the HTTP Custom Tunnel app. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.